Difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. The key difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic involves the fact that thermoplastic can melt under the heat after curing, while thermoset plastic keeps their form and remains solid under heat once cured. Though some may argue that thermoplastic offer better aesthetics than thermoset, thermosetting polymers still offer better aesthetics than other alternatives like metals. Both RIM and RTM techniques really accept secondary painting, but also allows in-mold painting or coating. This involves spraying, coating, or gel coat directly into mold before the thermosetting polymers are injected into it. This process bonds the paint or coating to the surface, offering better adhesion to prevent chipping, cracking, or flaking, even when exposed to the harsh weather conditions. This makes in-mold coatings or thermosetting materials ideal for such applications as construction, machinery, or other materials that needs to withstand extreme conditions.
Thermoset versus thermoplastic. The primary difference between the two is that thermoset is a material that strengthens when heated but cannot be remolded or heated after the initial forming.
Plastic was the last in injection, molding, and parts manufacturing. However, the word has been replaced by one which sounds similar but contains a word of difference: thermoset.
The thermoplastic curing process. When heated, thermoplastics soften and eventually become fluid. Processing thermoplastic involves no chemical bonding, which allows the material to be remolded and recycled without affecting its material properties. The properties of thermoplastic resin can vary significantly, but materials made from them tend to resist shrinking, along with offering considerable elasticity and strength. Typically, thermoplastic resins are used for a wide range of applications, from industrial components in machinery to the plastic bags used in retail stores. Thermoset plastic curing process, usually produced using the reaction injection molding or RIM or resin transfer molding or RTM processes. Thermoset plastic polymers combine together to form permanent chemical bonds. During the curing process, this chemical reaction forms bonds between monomer chains within the material, keeping it from returning to its original liquid state when reheated. This difference between thermoplastic and thermoset plastic makes the latter better for application where heat is factor, such as in housing for electronics or appliances and chemical processing equipment, as it has greater structural integrity due to its resistance to both heat and chemical. Thermoset plastic also possess several improved mechanical properties with products made from it, better at resisting deformation and impact.